Let us discuss another one of the main component of the production system, production drawings, and that is lockout relays. So what are lockout relays? Let's see. Lockout relays are shown by code 86. That you should be knowing it. Lockout relay is an electromechanical relay which latches its output contact. As the name suggests, this relay, once operated, locks out the circuit. Locking out means that circuit cannot normalize unless this relay is reset. These relays have two types of coils, operating and resetting coils. And lockout relay is a latching relay used for catastrophic failures. It locks out the breaker to prevent energizing the system. And 86 require a manual reset, or it can be also electrical reset from remote. So lockout relay principle, you should understand that first of all, lockout relay is can be used to trip the breaker, and at the same time locking out the closing pulse or closing DC supply to trip coil. So knockouts are used to connect. Normally you are operated when there is some severe fault, like a heavy fault is there, and lockouts are operated. For example, in production zone 2, 3 and 4, lockout can operate. Somebody has to come and has to check the condition physically in the production panel, and then after careful checking everything carefully, it can reset lockout and breaker can be closed. When lockout is operated, auto closer cannot operate. When lockout is operated, breaker cannot be closed either from local or remote, depending upon the interlocks diagram. Just understand, when the lockout operated, it changes position and then locks. You have to reset it mechanically or electrically to make it reset. This is the very heavy duty lockout relay. It's a very famous relay in Aramco. So yes, you can see this relay. In our production philosophy, we are saying that check the production panel, what are the indication and which lockouts are operated. So there might be one lockout for distance relay, one for differential relay, one for overcurrent relay. So depending upon the schemes, but it has also a flag. You can see when it will operate that this will become red. So you will be knowing that this lockout has operated. Also it will change its position. This handle will be in some angle. These are the contacts of lockouts that you can use at various positions. This is the simplest diagram of lockout. When you want to operate, you will just, this contact will operate and this will operate the lockout. And just we want to reset the lockout, just it is a push button. So when you press it, the lockout will be reset. So this is the way the lockouts are used. I hope you understand it. You will also see in the drawing how they are used. Thank you. So here you can see we have two lockouts on this drawing page, 86.1 and 86.2 here. So we will see how 86.1 is coming into operation. So this lockout is operated through a differential relay, name F87L. L is for line, it could be T for transformer, B for bus bar. So when this contact is closed, this lockout will operate, and once this lockout operate, this contact of F86 will close, and then it will pass DC to tripping coil. So this is how lockout is operating in the actual circuit. So let's see where they have provided the reset of lockouts, so we can check it. So here you can see a push button is provided, and when you push it, but both lockouts will be reset electrically. So this is electrical reset option with the push button, and the two lockouts name F86.1 and F86.2 will be reset. So we have seen the symbols here. This is how you can show in ladder diagram, and also I have shown you in the drawing that how the circuit is. So I hope you understand the topic. Thank you.